Hi guys, so in this video I will discuss about the goals of management of head injury. What are the goals? So see, firstly, okay, we'll come back to the slides, but I will like to discuss some few points that goals. What are the goals of management of head injury? First thing is your ICP. ICP's intracranial pressure should be maintained at 20 to 25 millimeter mercury. Systolic blood pressure to be maintained more than 100 millimeter mercury. Your CPP, cerebral perfusion pressure, to be maintained more than equals to 60 millimeter mercury, and oxygen tension to be mentioned to be maintained near about 15 millimeter mercury. These parameters has to be maintained. I will like to repeat: ICP or intracranial pressure 20-25, systolic blood pressure around 100, CPP around 60, PbO2 around 15. Clear? So next, yes. Next few points I will like to mention that what you should give and what you should not give. First of all, you should maintain adequate oxygenation, adequate perfusion, right? Adequate oxygenation, adequate perfusion, correct? You can give IV mannitol because by osmosis it will reduce the swelling and it will decrease the injury, the severity of injury, right? Two things you to remember: that steroids has no role of steroids, and you should avoid dextrose containing solution. Dextrose should be avoided, otherwise there will be hyperglycemia, right? So you should avoid dextrose. Steroids has no role, and you should give these three, right? So this is your about the management of head injury. Now I will like to mention few points. Like in case of mild head injury, you will evaluate plus NCCT if necessary. You will evaluate the patient or do NCCT if necessary. In case of moderate head injury, admit the patient. You can do CT. In fact, you can go for serial CT. In case of severe head injury, where GCS is less than or equals to 8, that is severe, we have to do intubation plus NCCT. So we will revise all the points. That the goal is have to maintain ICP 20-25, systolic blood pressure around 100, CPP around 60, PbO2 around 15, and management is I have to give adequate oxygenation, maintain adequate perfusion, I have to give IV mannitol, but steroids has no role, dextrose to be avoided. And for mild head injury, you have to evaluate and NCCT if required. For moderate head injury, we will admit the patient and do CT. We can also do serial CT. For severe, where GCS is less than or equals to 8, that is severe head injury, we will intubate the patient and do NCCT, right? So I will conclude my session here, and we will meet in another session, right?